Today, we have an important topic to discuss, especially if you or a loved one is managing diabetes. We'll be talking about the top 7 worst vegetables for diabetes, the ones you might want to avoid or consume in moderation. Let's get started. Before we dive into the list, it's essential to understand that vegetables can be a part of a balanced diabetic diet. However, some vegetables have a higher glycemic index and may affect blood sugar levels more than others. Coming in at number 7 is beets. While beets are packed with nutrients, they're also relatively high in carbohydrates and can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. If you love beets, consider having them in smaller portions. At the 6th spot, we have corn. Corn is starchy, which means it contains more carbohydrates than some other vegetables. If you're a corn lover, enjoy it in moderation, or try opting for alternatives like cauliflower or broccoli. Taking the 5th place is peas. Peas are another vegetable that contains more carbs, so they can raise your blood sugar. Keep portion sizes in check or try other lower carb options like spinach or kale. Now, let's discuss potatoes. Whether they're russet, red, or sweet potatoes, they all contain a significant amount of carbs, which can lead to blood sugar spikes. If you can't resist potatoes, opt for smaller portions or try cauliflower mash instead. Our number 3 spot goes to butternut squash. This sweet and nutty vegetable is high in carbohydrates. You can still enjoy it, but be mindful of your portion size, and perhaps pair it with some lean protein to help balance your meal. Coming in at the 2nd spot is pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich in carbohydrates and can raise blood sugar levels, especially if it's prepared with added sugars in recipes like pumpkin pie. Enjoy it sparingly and choose unsweetened versions. And the number 1 worst vegetable for diabetes is white potatoes. They have a high glycemic index, which means they can significantly raise your blood sugar levels. If you're a potato lover, consider switching to sweet potatoes or cauliflower as healthier alternatives. Remember, it's not about completely avoiding these vegetables but rather being mindful of portion sizes and choosing healthier alternatives when possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content, and we'll see you in the next video.